All right, again, we're working in reverse. So we got one less step this time. So we started with our standard form. We set up a diamond problem, which is the first thing we're going to talk about next. Now we need to solve the diamond problem so that we can write the factored form so that we can use the zero product property. Okay, so we have to solve this problem. Now, how does this diamond puzzle work? Well, let's just review that really quick. Just assuming that there are people that are watching this that maybe haven't followed along. So the way a diamond puzzle works is that there's two numbers on the sides, and those two numbers multiply together. So m times n. Now m and n are just numbers, okay? So they multiply together to get the top number, and they add together to get the bottom number. So the same two numbers need to multiply to get this number and add to get this number. And it's a little bit of mental gymnastics sometimes. But what you want to do is you want to just think, what numbers multiply together to get 12? The one that you should always revert to immediately is something in 1. So 12 and 1, that equals 12. What else? 6 and 2. I think when we see 12, a lot of people think 6 and 2. And then the last one is 4 and 3. And it wouldn't matter if these numbers are reversed. That doesn't change anything here. So which one of these could you add together to get 8? You know that all of these multiply together to get the top, but which one of them add together to get 8? Well, not 12 and 1, that's 13. 6 plus 2 is 8, so it's this one. So 6 and 2 would be the solution to the diamond puzzle. Okay, so you don't need to write this out every time. I'm going to erase it so that it doesn't confuse us, but sometimes it is helpful to write that out. Okay, now we can go into our third step, writing the factored form. So if we write the factored form, that would look like this. So hopefully this starts to become sort of second nature. Remember, it's going to kind of look like this with the x in the beginning of each of these parentheses. We have a 6 here, so that 6 goes here. We have a 2 here, so that 2 goes here. And it never would have mattered if these are flipped. If you have 6 plus 2 times 6, or sorry, x plus 2 times x plus 6, that is okay. Doesn't matter what order. Finally, we have the zero product property. So we're going to do that now. You take both of your factors, set them equal to 0. And then you're going to subtract 6 in this case. So you get x equals -6. So there's one of your zeros, or your roots in this case. Remember, same exact thing. Roots and zeros are the same thing. -2, -2. X equals -2. And there you go.